Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Sealey Rechargeable 360 Floodlight. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Features: patented 360 degrees swivel and tilt function enabling light source to be positioned in any direction. Work Lighthouse's 72 super bright SMD LEDs providing up to 3000 lumens. Features high quality 4.4 Ah lithium-ion battery with battery level indicator. 2.1A USB output for use as a power bank supplied with mains charger. The specifications include the following. The model number is LED360FG. The battery is a 7.4 volts 4.4 Ah lithium-ion. The charging time is 4.5 hours. The colour temperature is 6500K. The IP rating is IP65. The operating time to high, medium, low are 1.5, 2.5 and 5 HR, and the lumen output to high, medium and low of 3000, 1500 and 750 LM. The net weight is 1.56 kg. The LED type is a 72 SMD. The power is 36 watts. The USB output is 5 volts 2.1A. The weight of the product is 1.958 kg, and finally the case quantity is 4. Founded in 1978, Sealey is known internationally as a leading brand of professional tools and workshop equipment. The Sealey range of tools and equipment is designed with the professional user in mind. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.